You want to talk about the psychedelic jellyfish on the computer? Yeah? What do you think? What do you think about it? It's a pretty neat thing. What about that dinosaur on your shirt? What is it saying? Is it saying rawr? Is it? Is it? Yeah? Yeah. Rawr. Yeah. Yeah. You like dinosaurs, huh? Yeah. What do you think? What's happening out that window? What's happening? Something awesome? What's going on, man? Are you squishy? Are you a squishy guy? Are you a squishy guy? Yeah? Yeah? You're a squishy guy. Yeah. You're squishy. You're so squishy. Yeah. Yeah. You're my squishy man. Neighbor. Neighbor. Yeah. Yeah. Really? You don't say. I totally believe you. I totally do. Yeah. Well, I think that's a very wise perspective. Uh-oh. Is it time to change your pants? Time to change your pants? Alright. Let's change your pants.